My name is Robert Crum. I'm a chemical engineering lead at Baker Hughes in the Energy Transition Group in Oklahoma City. So Baker Hughes has a long history in geothermal. We've been operating in geothermal for about 40 years, and we're some of the pioneers of the high pressure, high temperature drilling technologies that enable geothermal to be where it is today. Some of the pre-existing solutions would have gaps in it, and that elastomer would extrude out and cause the packer to fail. We've leveraged additive manufacturing to come up with the solution that eliminates that problem. These backup rings are going to enable more effective fracturing jobs in geothermal wells. I think it's safe to say if we did win the $500,000 prize, we would use it to further develop out some of our downhole tool designs. The cost to develop these kind of tools, it can be expensive, and so the prize money is a decent offset to that. But really one of the main motivations why I get excited about this challenge is the competition, and the fact that the competition not only has you've got smart startups, but you also have established companies in it, and it makes me really proud to say that we've been able to take our concept to the semifinals, right? And the whole X Prize format to the competition makes it exciting, but it also makes it extremely competitive. It was a good thing I was working from home that day, because I let out a very excited scream when I heard that we made it to the semifinals. So very proud to be part of this competition.